That's from the water slide shenanigans yesterday that we not doing today. But hey, look, get your little styrofoam. Like we doing a hood. You can get your little that's a styrofoam plate. Yeah, grab that. We use a styrofoam plate around here like we back in the trap, boy. Aiden and Caleb finished running around the yard. They probably out there. It might be done. I don't see them back there. So they probably done. Yeah, they walking up the driveway right now. There go Caleb right there. They coming in right now about to get some food. They done doing their laps. They gotta run a mile and a half every day. So.
I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down. She know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money. Yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. The designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that roll gold compliment.
Alright, y'all. We are back. Today is Memorial Day. Turn this phone down. It is Memorial Day. I got Danny on the phone. He on the phone with Spirit Airlines. But Memorial Day today. And I wake up and I want to get this boil pot ready because I'm about to boil some meat, some vegetables. And I do not eat pork, shrimp, crab, crawfish, none of that stuff. I've avoided from my lifestyle. But however, turkey necks is in, beef sausage is in, freaking I need to brush my face, brush my beard. Corn, cabbage, freaking mushrooms. What else we got? Oh, bell peppers. Boy, bell peppers so good. Oh my gosh. So with the bell peppers, and shoot, I forgot. I got everything in there. Oh, I'm gonna grill some chicken too. I'm gonna like to grill some chicken down, some chicken wings. I'm gonna get this grill rolling, and with all of that, oh, let me torch the mosquitoes. Got some of the mosquitoes be popping in. Burn them up in there. But on top of that, right? Look, let me tell y'all the start of my day, how it went, right? I walk out here to the back patio, start washing a little area down. As soon as I got to this pot area right here, I hear this squirting noise, right? This, I'm like, where's that noise coming from? I'm thinking it's coming from like echoing around the wall over here where my air conditioner's at. But nah, that squirting noise was coming from the water slide that we had.
The water slide up because for the summer we're getting new, this is like activities for us to do. Blowing up now. Dad got it to blow up. Mom, do you want to be in the video? Alright. So Dad got it to blow up. Ava's excited. Jumping around. She was jumping around. Look, she said, yay! So this is the water slide. It's blocking Mom's picture, but she doesn't want to be in the video. This is the water slide. Oh! Oh, it's flying! It's... Alright.
Apparently, my daughter forgot to turn the water off last night. So, I'm going to have about $1,000 water bill. Yeah. That's a very, very good surprise right there. But, look, it ain't about to destroy my day. I'll tell you right now. We're going to cook. We're going to eat. And first of all, I need to clean up this back area. I got too much stuff accumulating back here. So I'm going to get this clean. About to get rolling. All right now, so we got the pot with the necks going on now. Ooh. And y'all see how we doing down here. Y'all see how we doing down here. Now keep in mind, but people don't realize everybody use butane. I'm trying to tell y'all right now, man. Gas, natural gas with a jet burner will have you rolling. You be hearing the myth about, that it's not gonna burn hot enough. I wish I had a freaking myth. It's not gonna burn hot enough with that gas. Colt, I don't know one thing about it. It is burning. It is burning. Shoot. Talking about it's gonna take too long. Man, it ain't gonna take too long. Nothing. And we got the chicken wings. I got the wings going first. Wings are the first runner up on this grill right now. We rolling. Let them get it. It's getting back up to temp right now. Let me go ahead and heat some extra heat going on. Put this on the end. Let this one get real hot over here. Increase that heat up enough. And I'm gonna go back up in here and get ready to get this corn dropped in there right now so we can start rolling with it. What you doing, girl? We over there getting everything cleaned up right now. Back patio. Got most of the stuff put up. Look, I told them to put them flip flops up, but yeah, we getting it done out here. That slide gone, man. They got the boys and put it up, got it out the way. We are not doing no summer sliding right now. The yard gotta dry up. It is a mud pit down there. So, Aiden over there. What you doing, Aiden? Let's go get this corn on the grill now. Let's get this kern gurn. Got them cobs, them fresh cobs. Got them cut up. Go ahead and get this. Look, let y'all see me for a second. Get this top open. Oh, yes, yes sir. See, I would have let y'all see my what I put in there. You know what I'm saying? But that's a whole different level of privacy right there. That you need a level 3 clearance to see my concoction. Look at the wings. The wings getting going. They getting that shell over them home. Let me go back. I gotta get my little seasoning mix and put on top of them boys. Let me go get that little concoction mixed up. Got the chicken. I just wash these mushrooms up, man. You know what we doing with these, huh? You know what we doing with these. What's this? You see it. Ooh. Oh, they gonna get all that seasoning. They gonna get all that seasoning soaked in them. Oh, man. Holy matrimony. Oh, my God. Let's let that go ahead and simmer down. Nice long time. Got my little special coating right here. Special coating right here. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. The wings are coming off. Now we about to work on getting these things taken off. Next I had a leg quarters coming up. Leg quarters gonna be coming up next. And you see, look, that just look like glory. That junk looks like glory over here, man. Chicken wing. Alright, we can let that grill. But torch it, cool it down. I mean, wash it down. Come over here, let's check out the ball pot, see how it's going. So far we got the corn, the turkey necks, and the mushrooms in there. Oh, the mushrooms starting to submerge now. The mushrooms starting to submerge. Look at that in there. Oh man. In a little while we gonna let that roll right there, and when them turkey necks start getting real nice and tender, I'm gonna grab one with a little fork to make sure they start getting nice and tender. I'm gonna turn that fire down. I'm gonna take that cabbage. I'm gonna take them freaking peppers, all that, because that water gonna just, that hot water just gonna just boil that so fast like it ain't nothing. So we'll put that in later. I dropped that cabbage in right before I turn it off, so that cabbage can get broke down, because that ball, I gotta pluck a hole, cut a hole in the middle of the ball so that water can get in there and start cooking the inside out. Because if you just drop a whole ball of cabbage in there, what's gonna happen is you're gonna have just the outside getting cooked. And if you cut it in half, it's gonna shred up too fast, it's gonna shred up the pieces real fast. It'll be all over the place. So what I do is I keep it like a ball, and I pluck like a cork, like a hole in that mug, and that ball cooks from the inside. They kind of stay together. It don't flare out and just dissolve the pieces real fast. So we'll be right back with y'all in a second. And for all the folk that don't know how to season their chicken, look, I'm gonna tell you right now. This how your stuff's supposed to be looking before you hit that grill. It's just supposed to be looking like it's loaded down. We ain't put no sprinkle. Oh, look, tap, 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 tap. No, none of that. We got this junk completely saturated. Completely saturated. Look, rubbing it all under the skin. Each leg quarter, get that under skin rub. All of them, every last one of them. Got that under skin rub. Get up under there. This how it's supposed to be. Look at your hand. Your hand supposed to look like this. Wear gloves if it's scared, but this how it's supposed to be right here. Look, just to give y'all a little idea, you know, a little something what's going on around here. You know what I'm saying? Just with the little, yeah. Get up in there. Now, this chicken gonna be ready. Look at that. All up under there. Now we gonna lay these leg quarters down. We ain't using no barbecue sauce on that. We just gonna do straight grilling. The barbecue sauce will come at the end on whoever want it, but I'm not. All right, smoking a Olivier cigar. To knock it off, but what we need to do now is get all this food out, because I forgot to put the potatoes in there, rushing. So I threw them in there later, which I should have waited. So now I'm about to take the pot off, pull all the food out, then separate the potatoes and put the potatoes back in there. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this junk separated, man. I done stepped on my own foot, but it ain't no big deal. It's gonna be good. Alright, look. Need to get a freaking I had a pot handle. I had my big stir pot handle. I don't even need it, but get one of them pipes. We'll get it up under this ride. We can get this pot out. Get one of them pipes. Get one of the fat ones if it's loose. That's fine. That's good enough. Hopefully it won't bend. You see? Yeah, this will be different. Use this. Let me use this. Put this back. Let me use this. Make this pot tilt over. Shoot, I'm just gonna hold it for now. Just bring out a little more. Make sure we rinse this concrete off. Alright, we're gonna throw all this in the pan, separate the potatoes out. Where that pan at? Cut it off a second. Potatoes, boy. Boy, how you gonna double drop it? I'm gonna eat this. You tripping? Right. Well, now you gonna. I just washed this concrete off. Fuck it. Let me get all this goodness out of here. All this goodness right there, it's coming out. I'm gonna throw these potatoes right back in there. All this got celery in here. I ain't waiting for none of them bell peppers. Yeah. Alright, now look. Potatoes ain't gonna take long at all. It's gonna take a little longer than this. Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna put that in the corner. I'm gonna eat that too. Sure. So, put all my little stuff I dropped in the corner. I'm gonna eat that. I ain't tripping. These little small potatoes just about done. Alright, let them hit a little more. Oh, let's start eating. Do this too. I'm gonna put this cabbage out here. This little ball of cabbage. I'm gonna finish this junk. See? I'm gonna do it whenever I cut the fire off, because it's gonna take long. It's gonna take like 3 minutes for that. That mushroom. Alright, let's go check out this kitchen. You know, this chicken. Let me see that, Aiden. Woo! Oh, wow! Look at that. Look at that over there. Get a nice little view out of there. Aiden, go. That's the intro right there. Yee-hoo!
It's gotta cook a little bit longer.
Alright, be good. Alright, we are complete with the cooking shenanigans. Oh, look. That's it right there. Grill perfection. See the fire. Don't talk about these two. The fire started, it caught on fire. But yeah, man. We about to go ahead and chow it down. Gotta get these little heads right. Oh, y'all little heads is something today. That's from the water slide shenanigans yesterday that we not doing today. But hey, look, get your little styrofoam. We doing a hood. You can get your little that's a styrofoam plate. Yeah, grab that. We use a styrofoam plate around here like we back in the trap, boy. Aiden and Caleb finished running around the yard. They probably out there. It might be done. I don't see them back there. So they probably done. Yeah, they walking up the driveway right now. There go Caleb right there. They coming in right now about to get some food. They done doing their laps. They gotta run 1.5 miles every day. So anyway, that's our Memorial Day cookout. So if y'all like what y'all saw, man, y'all know what it is, man. Tune in, subscribe. Oh, he tired. What eating that? The food ready? Huh? Hey, coming in right now. Taking his shoes off. Hey there! We closing off the video. Man. Take me out.